Hey guys, my name is Eleanor Pineau and I'm the founder and CEO here at Myco Pet. We're a Canadian pet wellness company focused on science-backed, mushroom-based nutraceuticals for pets. Our work centers on root cause wellness, developing functional supplements that support gut health, immunity, mobility, anxiety, and overall vitality in dogs and cats. We had the opportunity to work with UNF students Manthan, Pandey, and Devansh Patel, and what impressed me most was how quickly they were able to understand complex subject matter and translate academic knowledge into real-world application. They showed genuine curiosity, initiative, and a strong willingness to learn about the business beyond their assigned tasks, which significantly strengthened their soft skills and overall hireability. In fact, we've already hired one of them onto our Myco Pet team. Collaborating with the students brought real value to our organization. They offered fresh perspectives, analytical thinking, and additional capacity to explore ideas that often get deprioritized in a fast-moving startup environment like ours. Their contributions helped bridge theory with execution and supported meaningful progress across our projects. The students demonstrated strong communication skills, adaptability, critical thinking, and professionalism throughout the experience. They were receptive to feedback, asked thoughtful questions, and took accountability for their work, qualities that are essential in any professional setting. Programs like UNF's internships create a powerful connection between education and industry, and we would absolutely welcome the opportunity to continue working with UNF students in the future.
Hello everyone, my name is Devansh Patel and I am currently a Master of Data Analytics student at UNF. During my internship at Myco Pet, I work as a data analytics intern, where I help analyze business data and improve data organization and implement automation to reduce manual work. One of the best part of the experience was working in a collaborative team environment and solving real business problems using the data. It allowed me to apply what I learned in the program, including data analysis, data cleaning, visualization, and automation in real-world situations. Through this experience, I strengthened my analytical thinking, problem-solving, teamwork, and communication skills. It also helped me to build practical projects that I can showcase in my portfolio and future job interviews. For students starting their internship, my advice is simple: stay curious, ask questions, and take initiative to learn from the real-world challenges.
Hi, my name is Manthan Pandey and I am studying the Masters of Data Analytics at University of Niagara Falls, Canada. During my internship at Myco Pet, a company focused on mushroom-based wellness supplements for pets, I worked as a digital data analyst intern. My role involved analyzing data from social media marketing, customer orders, and market trends to help the team better understand their audience and support business decisions. The most valuable parts of the experience was collaborating closely with the team and working directly with the company's founder, Eleanor. It gave me the chance to see how data insights can influence real business strategies. This internship helped me apply concepts from courses like Principles of Analytics and Marketing Analytics, while also strengthening my skills in market research, presentations, and teamwork. Experiences like this show how work-integrated learning at UNF connects classroom knowledge with real-world impact.